One thing that bothers many beginners a lot on YouTube is the idea of content, which you can still call content ideas, how to generate so many titles to create your videos on. Some will be like, how can I be a content creator for 3 years? What will I be talking to my audience? How do I generate many titles as time goes on? All right. That have been one of the reasons, one of the setbacks when it comes to new beginners in the system or potential beginners. But I want to tell you it's all easy. So the moment you start, as you create, ideas are coming. Currently, I have over 620 videos on this channel as at the time I'm filming this. All right. But with time, ideas grew. When I was beginning, I didn't know is going to be possible. But look at me today, I'm still grinding. So, here, let's talk about how to generate content ideas. All right. In steps. Number one is start with what you know. All right. Start with what you know. I started with tech as a tech person because I'm interested in tech. I teach you how to use iPhone, how to use Android devices, how to use the computer I'm using for this recording. All right, how to create folders and many other things you can do on computer. All right. So if you are maybe into baking, start from baking. Start explaining the contents, the ingredients to the people first. From there, ideas come. All right. Before you know what's happening, you're on 20 videos, 50 videos, 70, 100. Before you know, you flex to 200. You get to 1,000 videos. At the point you sit back and ask yourself, am I the one doing this? Yes, you are the one. It's possible. So start up something and ideas will flow with time. All right. So don't let that be a barrier for you not to start a YouTube channel. Number 2 point is look at other similar channels. What are they doing? All right, that have been helping me. Sometimes maybe if I found it difficult to come up with idea, I look at other similar channels of mine. I get to Kevin Stratford. I get to other tech channels. I see what they're doing, software channels. I create my own. All right. So that is another thing you need to take into consideration for you to succeed here, for you not to run out of content. As I'm speaking to you right now, I have over 60 videos on my list I have not done. That is how it is. So before you know something, you will explode. All right. Another thing is make list. Anytime you come across a video or an idea, just make list of it. All right. Open your notes app on your phone or whether Android or iPhone, they have note apps. Start putting down these points. Tomorrow, when you want to create another video, you can fall back at those points. But when you have an idea and it allow you to go, please, you will see that you'll be struggling with content ideas, different titles to create video on. But when you have a notes app, just create one page and you are listing all these things, you will not run out of content ideas. Before you know, you build a list of up to 200 videos yet to be done. All right. So it's very important. Number three is when an idea comes, don't let it go. When an idea comes into you, don't let it go. You may be taking your bath and an idea comes, or you may be in the bathroom, maybe you're defecating, an idea comes. Hold it, don't leave it. All right, hold it there. Then, when you come out of the bathroom, you then list it down as one of the things you're going to talk about. Okay, take for example this video I'm doing now. I never planned it this morning. All right. I was in the bathroom, in the restroom, defecating, and the idea came to me. I was like, I think there are a lot of people that are struggling with content ideas. You have been generating content ideas for less than 2 years now, and you have been creating a lot of videos. So tell them how you do it. And that's why I'm creating this video. All right. Let's proceed to the next step to generate more content ideas. Another point is create videos based on difficulties you met in life. All right. So maybe you're trying to figure something out and you're finding it difficult, and at the end, you ended up solving that problem. You have to go to your notes and write that idea down. Okay, let me take for example, practical example. There was a day I was restarting this my computer, my PC, and I saw a notification that the system ran into a problem because of BIOS issue. BIOS. And that was my first time of hearing what is BIOS. All right. And I was like, BIOS issue? Okay, let me go and look for a solution. So I went and searched. I saw some videos telling you how to fix this BIOS issue. What did I do? I went to my notes and listed how to fix BIOS issue on laptop. Then I started the process from what I learned. I went online. I went to HP because I'm using HP laptop. Their website. I downloaded the application file for drivers upgrade. That thing that is having causing that problem. After that, I installed the driver on my PC. All right, and that issue of BIOS was solved. All right. Then, but as I was doing this, I was teaching people also. And at the end, I got it correct. I posted that video. In the first month of posting that video, it made me $2. First month, but there are videos on my platform that have been there that I put a lot of work that have not brought that amount in 2 months, even in 3 months. So create videos on difficulties you face, and you will see you have a lot of content ideas to dish out. All right. Then another thing is think about what people are searching for. What problems do you think people are into in that your niche that need to be solved? That's another way you can generate content ideas. All right, sometimes I ask myself, okay, maybe there are many people that have not used PCs before, laptops before, HP laptops, Lenovo, Dell, and all these types of laptops that run Windows. All right, I'd be like, there'll be some are searching for how to use a laptop, and there's not much content on that. I created a video on that, and that video is performing well. How to use a laptop. Okay, if I buy MacBook tomorrow, Mac PC, I can still create video on that on how to use Mac, because I know that there are many beginners like that don't know how to do that. This something applies in self-publishing as well. You see people looking for solutions on how to use this particular software. You create a book on that, how to use a computer, you create a book on that, and it starts selling because you're solving problems. All right. So look for what people are searching for, what they are likely to search for, and create video on that. There may be somebody somewhere searching for how to create a YouTube channel, and you have a video on that in your niche. You have some problem. All right. So that these are ideas. All right. Solve problems through your videos. Think of problems you're going to solve. Are you going to solve problem of how to create folders on a laptop, or how to create folders on iPhone or Android? These are problems. By the time you list all these problems you're solving in your videos, it will be a lot. It can even exceed 100 of ideas. All right. And that's another way you can generate content ideas to create your video titles. All right. Okay, another way you can generate content ideas is by diving into trends in that your niche. Yes. When you dive into trends, you can generate a lot of titles from there. For example, when iPhone released the iOS 17 or so, yeah, I think iOS 17 or iOS 18, that's iOS 18. So I made a video on how to upgrade your iPhone to iOS 18, how to turn on the Wi-Fi on iOS 18, because it gives the phone a different look. The interface changed. All right, when you're running iOS 18 when compared to iOS um 17. All right. So when it comes to connectivity section, many things changed about that. So many people who want to use the internet on their iPhone, on their PC, were having difficulty in that. But because I have already figured it out, I created video on that. So trends can help. Likewise, when Windows 11 came in, a lot of videos, people are searching for how to use Windows 11, and we are expecting Windows 12, though we don't know when it's going to come out. Once it comes out, as a tech guy, we dive into it. We create a lot of videos on that, how to create folders on Windows 12, how to use internet on Windows 12, how to talk about create files on Windows 12, and so many other things. So listen to trend and then take advantage of that when new thing comes in your niche. All right, that's another way to generate a lot of content ideas. And lastly, talk about your life experience. Yes, that can give you a lot of contents. Yes, recently I started a YouTube channel that I named Learn with Mike. Yeah, my name is still Mike. So, and in that channel, I talk about tech as well and also insurance because I've been in insurance for over 6 years, all right, before I resigned, all right, to focus on other things. So I know that I have experience in this. So if I start creating some things on insurance and finance, there will be a lot. All right, so teach people about your life experience, let them benefit from, and you have a lot of contents to talk about in that. All right, so these are the ways, the approaches you can take to create a lot of content ideas and a lot of video titles for your YouTube channel. If you like content like this, consider subscribing to this channel. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. If you don't hit the like button, there's no how the YouTube system will know. All right, so it's your interaction that makes them promote one video over the other. Okay, so watch this video here to learn another thing on YouTube education that will help you grow your channel, including the watch hour and subscribers. Thank you and see you some other time.